This lesson is all about the dip. So when we first learn something new, we can experience something called the dip. This is the challenge we might feel when learning something tricky. We can feel lost or stuck when something seems difficult and we just can't seem to understand it. We can compare the dip to like falling into a pit and not knowing how to get out. We can feel frustrated and want to give up, but this is a normal part of learning. It shows us that we are challenging ourselves, and the important thing is what we do when we're in the dip. We need to find a way to pull ourselves out. Some suggested strategies for when you are in the dip are: ask a friend for help, watch an internet video on what you're learning, or if you've been trying for a while, then perhaps have a break to ease your frustration.